Hey everyone, this is another project that we've secured for our client. This is a hands-free project. We secured this property prior to auction. We secured at a good price. So now we're doing a full refurbishment in this property. So coming in, let me show you what we're doing in here. This is the front living room. What we're gonna do in this property, right in this room, we're gonna get a partition wall just from here to down here, just to give this room some space. This chimney wall is coming down. Yes, it's got to go. So we're going to take up this chimney wall so we can get enough space in this bedroom. Let me take you to the next room. You've got the hallway here, you've got stairs in here, but what we're doing, and I'll show you upstairs later on, is we're going to reposition the stairs. So rather than going up this way, you're going to go from that way, and I'll tell you why. But come in, let me show you more. You've got a nice dining room in here with a nice kitchen. We've already designed a nice kitchen that we're going to place in here. Getting a new boiler, we're going to rewire this property as well. So if you come in, I'm going to show you quickly what we're doing. So we've got the electric unit and the gas meter in here, but what we're going to do, because we are moving the staircase, so the stairs is going to go from here to upstairs. So we're going to move the fuse box and the gas meter just somewhere in there and then make sure they have access to it. But we're going to do something quite interesting with that, so watch this space. So when next time we show you the update, the stairs is going to go from here upstairs. Kitchen is going to be a brand new kitchen in here. We've designed it, it's looking quite good, so I can't wait to show you guys the kitchen. And we've got a bathroom in here. We're going to retile the entire bathroom and put a nice three-piece suite in the bathroom. Now let's go upstairs so you can see the real works. Let's go upstairs. So upstairs, as you can see, we're going to put a beam in here. This is now being stripped down. So we're stripping the whole of upstairs. In fact, we're stripping the entire property. We've got the pad walls in there, the pad blocks in there, because we're going to prepare this for the beam that we're going to put across here, because both chimney walls are going down. Now come into this room and let's show you what we're doing. So when you come in here, you can see that you've got the middle bedroom, which leads into the back bedroom. But what we're doing is, first of all, that chimney is going off. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put a partition wall right here so we can separate this room. And then you've got a door that will go from here into this bedroom. So what you will have after this refurbishment is completed is you will have three separate bedrooms. So this bedroom now have them, this bedroom is there for themselves, and then you can just have access through the hallway down here. So let's look at this bedroom here. You can see the nice walls. It looks lovely, doesn't it? Lovely walls. But all this is going. We're going to strip this all down. What we actually think of doing, just to maximize the space, is we are going to put a new radiator just underneath here, because this property we are putting in new double glazing throughout the whole house. So we're going to get rid of this radiator that's here. There's a radiator right there, and then we're going to place a new radiator right here. Now let me take you to the front room of this house. There you have it. This is the front room. The chimney wall is going down. And for us to do this, we've got the architectural drawing already, and now we're going to have a building inspector come in to inspect the work. So that way, when we're doing our refurb, we make sure we're doing things the right way. So we're going to have building regs come in to inspect it. So when we put the beams across, the inspector will come in here to make sure it's okay. So I am so looking forward to showing you the finished work of this refurbishment, but stay tuned. So if you don't follow us, you can follow us on all our socials at Announce Property. See you soon.